South Florida Commercial Property Search. As a Miami member, you get this additional free from Miami exposure for your commercial listings. Searching on the page is easy. You can do so by location, price point, other items. The page provides consumer information and featured properties that are listed and selected and get an additional exposure on a weekly basis. To be featured, you must have your picture available and connected to your property. The page also has South Florida Up to the Minute, South Florida Business News, and Commercial Real Estate News, along with a map search and more. To be featured as mentioned here, you must come into the Miami Gateway, click into Matrix, enter into the Add Edit field, select Add Edit, come to the roster area, use your license number under Quick Modify, click Edit, make sure your information is available, select Manage Photo, and browse, search for your photo, and add it in. Once you select it, for it to be the one that shows, you must select it as a primary and certify and save. To be selected, there are 3 steps. You must have an agent profile photo, clean and captivating property photos, and a detailed property description. When you open a property, it would feature your photo here, information, and then the wonderful photos. You then have the ability to share on social media and via email, and even create a property flyer. Participate and gain the additional exposure to your listing. On your Miami Commercial Gateway, find a click-through to South Florida Commercial Property Search. Thank you for being a Miami Commercial member.